What's your name? My name is Enas. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from? I'm from Pakistan. How old are you? I'm 28 years old. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Where do you live? I live in Karachi. Are you busy? Yes, a little. Are you free now? Yes, I am. Can we talk? Sure, why not? What's your plan today? Nothing special. Are you tired? A little. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. What happened? Nothing, all good. Where are you going? I'm going to the market. When will you come back? In an hour. Can I help you? Yes, please. Do you need anything? No, thank you. Can you do me a favor? Sure. Do you understand? Yes, I do. Can I ask you something? Yes, go ahead. What's going on? Nothing much. Where are you right now? At home. Do you know him? Yes, I do. Is this yours? Yes, it's mine. May I come in? Yes, please. Shall we go? Yes, let's go. Where's Mom? She's in the kitchen. Where's Dad? He went outside. Did you eat? Yes, I did. What's for dinner? Biryani. Who cooked the food? Mom did. Where are the keys? On the table. Did you clean your room? Yes, I did. Did you finish your homework? Not yet. Are you ready? Almost. Where's my phone? It's on the bed. Can you pass me the water? Yes, here you go. Is the food ready? Yes, almost. Where is my bag? It's in your room. Can you switch on the fan? Yes. Did the light go out? Yes, it did. Who broke this? I don't know. When will you come home? By evening. Can you help me in the kitchen? Yes. Who is at the door? I'll check. Where are the kids? They are playing. Did you call the plumber? Yes, I did. Is the Wi-Fi working? Yes. Can you lower the volume? Yes. Where is the charger? It's behind the sofa. Is the room clean? Yes, it is. Did you finish the project? Yes. When is the exam? Next week. Did you study? A little. Can you explain this? Sure. What's the homework? Math exercises. Are you coming to school? Yes. Where is the teacher? She's coming. Can I borrow your pen? Yes. Is the class over? Not yet. Did you take notes? Yes. Are you late? Yes, sorry. Can we start the meeting? Yes. Is the boss here? Not yet. Can you print this? Yes. Where is the file? On the desk. Can you email me the details? Sure. Did you mark the attendance? Yes. Is the lecture difficult? A bit. Can you help me learn this? Sure. Is this correct? Yes. Do you have an extra book? No. When is the deadline? Tomorrow. Are you prepared? Yes. Where is the classroom? Second floor. Is the meeting cancelled? Yes. Where is the canteen? On the left. What time is the class? 9 a.m. How much is this? It's 500 rupees. Is there any discount? Only 10%. Where is the washroom? On the right. Can I return this? Yes, within 7 days. Where is the bus stop? Over there. What do you recommend? Try the pasta. Where is the ATM? Near the bank. How long will it take? 10 minutes. Do you have a fever? I think so. Do you exercise? Sometimes. Do you feel dizzy? A little. Can you relax? I'll try. Do you have a sore throat? Yes. What time is it? It's 5 p.m. What should I do? Stay calm. What did you buy? Some groceries.